In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify store link to TikTok bio. Let's start by grabbing your Shopify store link. In your Shopify admin, head to online store, then click view your store. This opens your live storefront in a new tab. Copy the full URL from the address bar. Make sure it's your main homepage link and that it includes HTTPS so TikTok recognizes it properly. A quick test is to paste it into a browser window to confirm it loads cleanly before moving on. Now open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile, then find the bio field. Paste your store link right into the bio and tap Save. This places your link in your profile description immediately. Keep in mind, on many personal accounts, the bio link may not be clickable. It will appear as plain text. That can still help with brand visibility, but if you want a true tappable link that drives traffic directly, there's a better option. For a clickable link, it's recommended to switch to a business account. In TikTok, go to your settings, choose account, and select switch to business account. Follow the prompts and pick a category that best matches your brand. After switching, complete the business verification steps TikTok provides. This helps unlock business features and increases the chances you'll see the dedicated website field on your profile. Once your business account is set up and verified, return to Edit Profile. You should now see a website field in addition to the bio. Paste your Shopify store link into the website field and save. This is the key difference. The website field creates a clickable button on your profile that takes visitors straight to your store, which typically converts better than a non-clickable bio line. You're done. Your Shopify store link is now clearly visible on your TikTok profile, and if you added it in the website field, it's clickable. If TikTok doesn't save your changes right away, don't worry, refresh and try again. Sometimes the app glitches. Closing and reopening the app, ensuring you have a strong internet connection, or updating TikTok to the latest version can help. Also, double check that your URL is complete with HTTPS and doesn't include any extra spaces when pasting. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.